During the war.
Okay.
During
the Nigerian Civil War.
Okay. Okay, Choma no maybe yeah no fight and driven. I think the thing where go where this Orion River where cross ala where Bume Igbo. Yes.
After Orion
River in Abudu. Yes. Because the guy about the cars yeah to his and all those people they are or we Iru when they own the car. So when us were Bume from that river.
From there can
yes.
And in the making a mono, she only Nanzera, Ono Catona Neo, Neswell in Eddie's own home was on Eddie. Women on Chukwe, you can know Zoni, or getting wages on one way with the Cocono. About Koto Ware, and you know, make it job and say my feature been on 1 year feature, near boom, when you're bueni, oh, so wise on Eddie. Anyone who can tono kato na toko teton ke MBB you can see you can you can see you can the here neku Anioma as a state ona manane ogambo ndi Bini when Benden state Benden ahụ ka obo Bini ji memeni ya number 1 or need the rest of Ubi be under him. When I push, but no one will be happy. But young man, and near me, and when some men do be, when you are building what you carry Obi check. But when you want to carry Obiabo, when you want to carry Obiabo, could be called. Now, well, no, my neighbor, then all I say, we're not divided that bend then. Into two, engine where Edo and Delta. Obomudia. On one and one, no, who you met, because no Bomudia very funny. Majority in the back, Macanin, La one year back. Maybe on actually, then and Edia were all in the same state. Nakoji Beli were Bucheba. But we're not all else one, no, but in there, not for fun because only back up with any hinage. Local government not that chono so whenever we show man then you never been ya jama ni Igbo that chono before you want no kaza ma fa beni like here na no we ku na a lot of people ndi okwe na need no change efa ndi say na change ko efa kama we we onu we like what so here na ku ni Anioma na no we ku eni o me no obia umu na ni ndi ancha we move to Edo state through boundary adjustment. I can wait here when Azum. I join you Abavo. Great is a more local government for us. Or when I cook when I know when any Sunday, the Olin's meeting about when my meeting, when interpreting in Piano. So Yakaiti rating one in any dinner and no money. So yeah, so nine money all from what you know. Una support to Anioma, una support to ane money money in the Edo state people ha no at them for phone no go and uche phone yeah we are in and when you sponsor this state creation o Senator Ned Nwoko omuhunu nwe unu ka agwa as a word of encouragement nunuku ishagwa
yes. First and foremost, to my mind, Mama or Dr. Oliver Monday, and in support of the creation of this Anioma state. No, my DNA from this creation of Anioma state, no, my local government to individual villages. Like I know one day Abavo, and the move been and Abavo, and the local government in Abavo.
Yes, of course.
But therefore, you know, some of the social amenities are in there, okay, because I am under local government. We create here, na baba we local government, we many things. Look at this also, and I have support. I cannot also. I feel no one done. I can move very well. When they local government, so the support for the creation of Anioma state.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah.
And before I Onwende na sini ihe ejiri ekwu no ekreti Anioma no eto no eme ndị wo na ndị Igbo Abavo ono wo ndị Bini abi ndị Igbo kai wo
ayo ndị Igbo Nwane alwane ni ofuro ayo ndị Igbo enjo
ayara asokoyo ebe you are not speaking Koyo. Manu Yoruba.
Yeah, I don't know about your new Basana this and your man.
When he Johnny Kumani and your man. And your man went on work. No, Swoy. I'm a lot of when you're
and Yegatio and your man where they are John work create or that's when you on the Abavo. Or that's when you were with Mugwebel. Or the other I don't remember and you put your new Anioma new creature.
And I go gane ned see ned yagi kamen where's a car dopuhan you and Anioma ni also kind because okay my government very closer to us and okay where development and gwangwa so ya wa area yan land on gwa no lenya people eku discourage here let him fight for that local government for that state.
Okay sir, thank you sir. Thank you.
F1 JP, John Paul Edopolo. This man, yes now, John Paul, okay, let me read it. John Paul. Always Yoku, according to what we said before, this Ned Moko is my own person.
Wow.
Mao, organize this Anioma. I'm the secretary, Kasab local government.
Okay.
Of which you have went to Asaba several times, even when we are going on white and white bead and the red cap. My the uniform is in my house. So I so much like it. If he can bring the Anioma state down to our footstep, we'll be very, very happy. Good. Secondly, Obone ndu wandi actually really a disciplined demand. We see him flying. Abavo atalafu politically. Ebo mele wefo bia owefo le eske one Anioma state. Let federal government do him a favor, do the state a favor in creating the Anioma state. So that every divineness as regards to future things will arrive in Abavo kingdom. So osnobes ke yando ogologo ogide ka rorun ni orun aru ale na ma hoza woni nyero mile aleka.
So who they make a job? Okay, no. Time when we are in Obiri and we are happy and the Omono said it be here. I know. Ogweje who we had no job. We can happy or daughter. And in Chow when Asoswa Wiji Daneni. Ordinary no men and young manage then. And here will then make it can issue any bunim when them want the ordinary. So many on our far commands of for suppose for Abavo for women on our for Abavo for suppose for good for. But you can have an annual show at the end. Only when but I won't when you're home or one home IKG 6 years and no, and we came on under 1 week. Mekanized together. Yes. Yao, he held him many him. I wanted the day anywhere in Neka. No quenny chance of honey. One. April, no quenny honey. One. Nakoha money. Only America.
No,